Hello everyone, welcome to my channel which is MK Mantra. In this video today I'm going to teach you that how to write your names in Japanese, or if I would like to rephrase, so how to write your name in kanjis. Okay, so kanjis we consider it as a most difficult part for Japanese part because there are a lot of kanjis, more than 2500 approx. So yes, still, through this method, maybe you will find it a little bit easier that how to write your name in kanji. So now, without wasting any time, let's move to our main topic, which is how to write your name in kanji. So just give me a moment. Okay. What are the steps which you need to follow for writing your name in kanji? So first thing which you should follow is that write your name in English. Okay. So if somebody's name is Maria, so I have written the name in English. Okay, Maria. Let me highlight. If I want to write Maria in Japanese, so I can write Maria in hiragana as well. I can write Maria in katakana as well. I can write Maria in kanji as well. But I am not going to pick hiragana because for names we do not use hiragana script. So for writing the names we use katakana and kanji. So Maria can be written in two ways, in katakana and kanji. So let's make it into katakana first. Ma. Ma. Ri. A. Right? Maria. Now I have changed the name to katakana. These two steps are very easy. Definitely, that's third step is also easy. But yes, before telling that, I would like to tell you a story. See, it's I'm telling you a practical thing which is happening with the foreigners is that Japanese names are very much easy when you search in the dictionary, when you search online. Okay, so those names are very much easy. So I found it a little bit easier writing Japanese names, okay, in kanji rather than the foreign names. I found it. But there are many tools, there are many kanjis which makes your work a little bit easier. So now, after going through those methods, what I have felt that yes, Japanese have their Japanese name and it is easier for them to write in kanji. But for foreigners as well, now it has become easy to write their name in kanji as well. So let's take an example. You are going for an interview. So sometimes they ask for a Japanese resume. So you can mention your kanji name as well. Okay, so let's start with the kanji name. So when I say Ma, this is Maria, Ma. So in kanji, we have onyomi part as well, kunyomi part as well. Okay, so mostly for names, we consider kunyomi reading. Mostly, I'm saying mostly because there are many exceptions into it. There is no specific rule in Japanese. For names, we use kunyomi reading, but yes, there are a lot of exceptions where we use onyomi. So most of the times we use the kunyomi reading. So what we are going to do that for writing your name in kanji part, you have to search for the similar sound which carries the word ma into it, the sound into it, ma. So let's take an example. If I want to convert this one, let me highlight. I'm converting this one, ma. So I have to go through the all kanjis and choose a word, choose a kanji which carries the sound as ma. Okay, so how to, okay, now your question will be that if you search for kanjis which has ma sound into it, so there are a lot of sounds, there are a lot of kanjis, right? There are a lot of kanjis which carries the ma sound, right? Nothing to worry about it. I'll tell you the trick. Let's take an example. I'm searching for Maria Ma kanji, okay, and there are 10 kanjis which came as a result. 10 kanjis which has the sound as ma. Now, what you need to do, that you can choose the kanji as per the character or feature. So let's take an example. Let's take an example. Maria is a person who is very much honest, true, pure. Okay, so if there are 10 kanjis which gives me the sound as ma, so I will try to go for the kanji which carries the meaning as true. So let's take it. I'm just giving you one example that you went for searching Maria's ma. Okay, and there are 10 kanjis which came as a result, and out of that 10 kanjis, one of the kanji was true kanji, true kanji, true. Out of the 10 kanjis, there were one kanji which carries the meaning of true and has a sound of ma. So if Maria has a character of honesty, true, pure features into it, if Maria has that character, so we can choose that kanji. You know, there is one more kanji called interval kanjis, which also carry the sound as ma into it. So if if Maria is related to somewhere interval also. So you can choose that kanji as well. So if there are 10 results, so as per Maria's character, you can choose the kanji into it. There is no specific rule that you have to choose this kanji or this kanji. As per the character comfort, you can choose. No problem at all. So if Maria has 10 kanjis, choose the character which Maria perfectly fits in, and that will create the sound of ma. So now let's take an example. Let me search for this online dictionary. Okay. So what I did, I wrote ma here, ma. Definitely it's an online dictionary, so it will give you the result of kanji and words, everything. So you can see that in this, for ma kanji, there are a lot of, results which are coming. First is interval, space. Second is true. It also has the reading kunyomi as ma. So let's pick this kanji. Okay, and I'll copy it in my this. So guys, why I choose this kanji? Because it has a sound as ma, and also the character is true. So I will, feel good if I'm picking this character. Okay, now re. Let's go for a re. So now what we will do, we will go to the online dictionary. Again, this is my method which I do. That's fine. If you are searching for any other method, let me know. We can discuss in another video. So this is re. So also, so now you know that re also have many kanjis readings. Okay, this is also re, this is also re, this is also re. All these are the results of re. Okay, so let's take an example. If Maria has a character of a logic, okay, she logic or justice, truth, reason. So again, you can choose this kanji. So this kanji has a sound as re. Okay, so I'll choose this. So this kanji has a sound as re. Also, this carries the meaning of logic, which Maria has. So I'll feel good if I choose this kanji for her. So ma, re. Okay. Ma, re. Now Let's go to A. So if I choose A, okay, now see, what is coming as a result. Let's take an example. If I choose this so it's related to Africa, flatter, corner, no. So so for Maria, I choose sounds like Mari, and for character, I choose like true. So with true, if I mix this word Africa, flatter, fawn, upon, corner, nook, so these type of words, don't you feel this is kind of a funny thing? Okay, with some characters like honest, true, you mix this character. So in Japanese, this is a challenge. Sometimes you search for a character which you search for a kanji which has a similar sound, but sometimes the meaning becomes so funny when you compound it. So I'm not going for this Africano. So let's take an example. This Asia. So what would I do with Asia? So now this word again, depression. No, I'm not going to choose this. So I can choose this. Like, let's take an example. Just give me a moment. Okay, so what I can do, I can choose this word because this is beautiful, and it also carries a sound as a. Okay, so what I am going to do, I'll pick this. I'll pick this. And so I hope you got it why I have not chosen these characters. So first of all, I have many results which is coming in the internet. I have already chose the meaning as true, honest for Maria, but now I'm adding Africa or Asia into it. It will make little bit the whole meaning as very funny, or like true Asia, like that. So I'm not going to pick this, but I can do Maria is true, Maria is honest, Maria is beautiful. So yes, I chose this. So it has some logic into it. So let me pick this. Okay. So now let's discuss about it. So now what we understood from this point, we understood that first you write your name in English, then write your name in katakana, and then search for the kanjis which has the similar sound with that katakana character. For ma, we choose ma kanji, which is true. Okay. For re, we chose this one, which is logic, re. And for this, we chose a for beautiful. So for kanji, you have, for writing your name in kanji, you have to see two things. First, the kanji should be having the similar sounds. Okay. And second, the kanjis which you are selecting for your name. So it you should choose those kanjis which at least have the characteristics of Maria. Okay, so do not choose very odd kanjis. Definitely the sound, you have to, for sound you have chosen, I can understand, but when you mix the word as a meaning, so it will be a little bit funnier. So do let me know if you have any doubts or you would like to ask something. See, what is my opinion, I'm going to tell you this. Let's take an example. I'm going to tell you that Nakamura is most famous Japanese surname for people living in Japan. So for Nakamura, it is very much easy that you are searching in dictionary and you are getting the exact word called Naka and Mura, and you are choosing the kanji. But the people like us, let's take an example. My name is Tripti. Okay, somebody's name is Manisha. Okay, and somebody's name is blah blah blah. So what I'm trying to say here, sometimes it is not easy for us to get the exact sound of our name in dictionary. It is not easy. So sometimes what happens, there are a lot of kanji results will be coming. But what happens that when you choose the sound, so the meaning, when you combine the meaning, it becomes very funny. Okay. And let's take an example for Tripti. I chose so suppose I would like to go for a kanji which carries the sound as T. It's very difficult for me to find out, even if I find out, but it does not match to my character. So what do you feel? Is it easy for me to write it as my name in kanji? So I found writing your name in katakana is much safer than writing your name in kanji. Why you if you're if you see, nobody is going to judge you if you write your name in katakana, because it will make their work easier or our work easier. Let's take an example. I'm writing, so Maria is written in kanji here. Sorry, Maria is written in kanji here. Maria is also written in katakana. So the person who is reading the name in katakana, it is quite easier for him because it's straight, Maria. That person can read it. But kanji has many readings. Okay, let's take an example. Kanji has many readings. So, and in kanji also, if you go for a kunyomi, onyomi, it has a lot of readings. Kunyomi has its reading, onyomi has its reading. So that person will get confused for the first kanji. This is what I have chosen. That's why it is easy for me. That for ma, I have choose this. But this kanji also has many readings, right? So what that person will choose? How will he get to know what meaning, what reading I have selected? So it is a little bit, tough job when you write your name in kanji, also for the other person also. It's just my personal advice when you go for any official document or any interviews. So it is better to go for a safer mode, which is writing your name in katakana, which I follow. I do not want to complicate my life and other person's life. It is better to know the kanji name of yours, but I do not use. If you find your name is easier and you can, find it, go for it. But this is the method which you can select. Okay, so I hope you find this video useful, and now I hope you know how to write your name in kanji, and nothing to worry about. The basic agenda to make this video is to let you know that it is possible to write your name in kanji, even if you are a Japanese, even if you are a foreigner. But yes, there are some positive points and negative points for writing the name in kanji. So let me know if you have any doubts, and thank you for watching. Stay connected with me. Thank you so much. Bye.